boog.
Be still! Call me animal! Call me animal!
vale.
Hostia, tío, me harto que estás, tío.
Tío, pero tío, que tenemos...
I love my car, God made love. I love my car, God made love. I love my car, God made hate. I love my car, God made hate. I love my car, God made good. I love my car, God made good. I love my car, God made bad. I love my car, God made me. Yeah. But I don't wanna pray to my maker. I just wanna be what I see. Not just who I am, but the pink and dawning land in that wide, wild sky over me.
Help me to
The sun, hey, I'm looking everywhere. See, I'm looking to become not the prayer, but the prayer. And I don't wanna pray. They say I don't wanna pray. And I don't wanna pray. I don't wanna pray. I love my God, God made love. I love my God, God made love. I love my God, God made love. I love my God, God made hate. I love my God, God made bad. I love my God, God made good, made good. But I don't wanna pray to my maker. I just wanna be feeling free. Not like in a book, all the leaves and trees that shook from a word that means only nothing. Darling, darling, mom, what I'm saying isn't fair. See, I'm looking to become not the prayer, but the prayer. And now I don't wanna pray. You say I don't wanna pray. Yeah, I don't wanna pray. Don't wanna pray.
Not much good to talk, better to walk it.
Isabel met an enormous bear. Isabel, she didn't care. There was hungry, there was revenue. There's big mouth was cruel and governor. They said, Isabel, glad to meet you. How do Isabel? Now I'll meet you. Isabel, she didn't worry. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. Washed her hands, straightened her hair up. Hey, Isabel ate the bear up. Once in a night, black as pitch, Isabel met a wicked old witch. Witch's face was frost and wrinkle. Witch's gums, teeth sprinkle. Oh, oh, Isabel, oh, witch crow, turn you into an ugly toad. Isabel, didn't worry. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. Showed no rage, showed no rancor. Turned the witch into milk and jacker. Oh, yeah. Isabel met a hideous giant. Isabel so self-reliant. and chills. Dr. Satchel wrote the pills. Doctor said, oh, Isabel, swallow this, gonna make you well.